Assalamualaikum my viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Postgre SQL in Windows 11. So first of all we have to go to the Postgre database, download Postgre. Here we have to go to the postgresql.org, their website. Then download the installer, as because my Windows system is Windows 64-bit, that's why we have to download this version. See, it's downloaded. Okay, the download is completed. Now exe file is opening. Then yes, it requires more time. Next, it is installed in this folder. Next, so when we open from the search option, so we have to search the pgadmin4. Next, we have to create a already created super user and we have to give in the password. And if I get the password is ABC123, then ABC123 is a small letter ABC, right? This port number is already by default, but it changes. Now it's installing. Wait for the installing time. It requires more time because of its server. Repeated, finish. No need to do this. Just cancel. Yes. Here we can clean pg admin here. If we wanna go the server, then Postgre. Remember, first when we install, then we have given a password. The password is ABC123. If we wanna save, then save. Not. So initially we will save. Okay. See, it's opening. So here it's done. Here is our PG admin for Postgre SQL server administration. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.